Again, I think when you red is my favorite. And I can see somebody is already getting the red. And I can see the logo as well. And he's enjoying the samosas too. How are you doing, sir? How are you doing? I believe you know. कितना टाइम लगेगा इस बाइक पर बैठकर यहाँ से पहुँचने के लिए somewhere you want to be in a very short time. Say suppose you get on the highway, how much you feel? How much you think? 5 hours to reach to it. Must have been a thrill. So is it the thrill is only important? How much when you talk about the safety of whenever you talk about cars, you talk about bikes? What's the first thing comes to safety? Just not about the helmet I'm talking about.
These bikes, especially the cars, because it doesn't compromise on the safety aspect. You have, if you look at the motorcycle parts, it has the best braking system, they have the best, the electronic system to control the motorcycles, it's also the most advanced system when it comes to the part of handling the motorcycles. So in that case, safety has been taken care of, so you can ride those bikes fast without fear.
All right, that's fantastic, amazing. When we talk about cars, what do you believe? What's your favorite brand today here? Which one you love the most? People, I've seen like Porsche is there, Ferrari is there, almost everything. What's your favorite brand?
Since I was a kid, I have been a Lambo fan. So Lamborghini is the yellow Lamborghini.
The yellow Lamborghini. Do we have a yellow Lamborghini? Yeah. It's over there. Fantastic. I can hear it. You can hear the road over there. Lovely dog, please.
There are the
Okay. I know it's good to click a photo. I know it's nice to shoot a video, but it's not about clicking pictures. It's all about how much you know about these cars. Okay, so we're here because of another series of fantastic cars. And right now, one of them here is from the Rabi Garage, and it's the Amantator Ultimate Roadster. So it's all about knowing.
in front of it, especially if we guys are together. You must know about your favorite car, your supercar, your dream car. It's all about knowing about them, how much you know about them. Another we got lovely see this is an elegant piece. Yeah, when you talk about the masterpiece, when you talk about something, when you talk about luxury, when you talk about you must know it. You must know it because these questions might come up for you. This is an amazing one. One word for luxury. That is Rolls Royce. Anything, everything. And it's all about features. And you can see the giant out here. And it takes the entire space, which feels make you feel the real luxury when you sit inside it. And it's been accompanied by two amazing masterpieces, left and right. See, we have, and to give this car a company, we got two black Mercedes. So we got some Mercedes. This one's another one here with a matte black finish. Another one over here. This another, and I must say, this is Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. So when you say AMG, you get the real gravity, you get the real power, and you can really feel the gravity when the engine starts and roar here, and then you feel the real adrenaline rush with this car. When talk about power, this is been made. You can go up to any mountains when you talk about the inclination, the incline you get when you get inside this vehicle.
তারটাকে খুললে হয়ে যাবে, আর কিছু করার নেই। আর লেবো এডিট করবি, মাঝে মাঝে ডেকে নিবি ভাই আমাকে। কি করে আমার সাথে বড় ভাই, ব্যাস মজা আয়া